Jesus. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So guys, today I'm retouching my hair. Small now.
Sorry, Betty.
So my husband is helping me out.
I'm gonna get mascara. I'm gonna get mascara. I'm gonna get mascara, guys.
Mascarina to do what?
Guys, I'm sorry. I don't want to, for this chemical, it have an effect. So I don't want to die before my time. Because the life is hard, but it's not sweet.
Wait, you know some people go think say that my hair dey smell.
No, your head not smelling. I'm protecting my head, okay? Those people know that they will go on those things with chemical.
So the chemical wey they use work and this one, which
Yeah,
one wey
please,
hard?
if you want me to shampoo your head, or you want me
Maybe only shampoo your hair to retouch my hair.
I'll start to just put in the down cream.
Wait oh, you go divide am into like this.
What the fuck?
Baby, see do this thing well.
Don't just disturb my work, eh? If I call a stylist, you are paying 100 euros. Remove your hand.
Ma, hold am for you now.
Okay, today. No,
Wait oh.
now you talk sense.
Things like this man.
Okay, thank God you get that.
You go dey take am small. You never even start for back. You go dey start for this thing.
Don't worry now. What woman can do, man can also do it better. What's your problem?
Aye.
It doesn't ever. Yeah, it doesn't ever touch since 2 years. What you not going to use to cup for the last time? I beg you. See my mouth. Very, very good. I'm talking issues like this.
I beg oh, no give me corona.
Did you see why I put the mascara now? Only the one I perceived before the mascara is.
Only perceive. Hey. You no go leave comb first. Give me comb.
Take now, director.
I use naive na that one. But may e reach down. This one wey they do. Some place now go down, some place no go
Don't
down.
worry now. It should be now. Make me the use the comb. They put and make they go down. You know, sir, they select the head small, the comb.
Okay.
Give me what you cannot do instead of you to say thank you.
See, I go fit done. I just make it done.
Thank you, my lovely husband, who can do everything. That means spending mine. And then correct.
Fix me the hair now.
It's that time when I'm with my cousin sisters who is a stylist. I'll never graduate to that extent before I left them, before I left the village to the city.
Okay, as a village boy then.
I left the village when I'm age of 12 years, so being as a child of 12 years, it's not everything away. But I don't know that when they have a customer, sorry, I always help them to do hair, comb it, and sometimes I help them to do weaving for those that come and fish with one. Hello?
Hi. So why you don't used to weave me? Hi.
Because your head is very stubborn. I don't weave stubbornness. I weaved cool and quiet head, not stubborn one like your one.
Okay.
No, you do me that from time. I don't have time for men such. One's enough for me, and when I have one, I don't want to add problem to my problem. Oh yeah, bend your head very well so that the camera people can see it. That we're almost.
You massage it though.
My baby, I'm not massaging anything.
So you just rub it and leave it like that.
Don't worry yourself. And the stylist here, not you.
Hey, stylist.
What's the problem, little girl?
See the thing they pour for my body. If na for salon, na for no pay you.
For this thing? Let me say, you don't already do your mind say you don't want pay now. Credit you won't contain with the hair. So you got a lot of problem.
The thing that they touch for Dan, I need to feel am.
You never reach. Now you want to touch for that, now so.
Hey, Jesus.
What?
It don't enter my eye now.
Sorry. No. Sorry. Look at the car and go back. Sorry.
Jesus.
Open it now. Sorry. Wait first. Let me show you. Open it. Can you see me? Okay, get issue.
Come where I got back. Come where I got back.
Oh, back in. This is a part of our call.
Fair go wrong.
Appreciation, show more effort.
Oga do something. Appreciation do more. You like appreciation.
You see anybody where they work that they appreciate. You see they do the work.
Aye. Oh boy. The thing that as it's strong.
Get it?
Like your Nash. Never.
Give me
Wait to man look whether my eye don't blind.
Africa.
I want to see well with. The small one what they manage now you won't blind and me. My hair.
We are back to the massive hold it.
Not true.
Understand a biko. Remember me shige. Oyibo correction. Take it. The headmistress.
It's massage, not romance now.
You like the word massage? This little cocoa shed. Like everything massage. Massage. Be romantic. This thing you never done no. You go massage and reach ground, put hand like this. Well, I don't know which kind hand glove you go wear. Cause I'm running for the chemical. I don't want the chemical to touch me since I never even cover. That's what I'm
They do video, no verse. I use comb. Divide them. They collect them small. You massage and you roll and collect them small. Back now you go from. So guys, I'm using this Cantu cocoa butter. So Enjoy el maca. God, the hair is well. Relax. He tried. So rate my husband retouching. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please share our video, like, thumbs up, please. Guys, you guys are not giving us like. Thumbs up now. It will not take you anything. Even the subscribe, it will not take you anything. It's just free. Okay, see you in our next video. I'm about to go and make my hair now. Maybe I will make object, or I will just fix normal center party. I don't know yet. Let's go. See you guys in our next video. Okay, bye. Love you all. Stay safe and be good. Mwah.